Hello everyone, today let's talk about tooths auto bells. This bell is made of EPDM rubber, and it is a high quality tooths bells. This size is AW17 and 99.1 Li. This is this size. Our factory can make tooths bells, EPDM rubber, and CR and rubber. We have 3 materials can made, and this is different quality material. It has many following features. The first one is can vulcanize at low temperature, with longer service life and more wear resistance. Good structure, aging resistance, and oil leakage prevention. Mud-proof water. If you like this, just send us our inquiries. We can send you free samples, and welcome everyone to inquire and order.